Hi guys, we have new to projects with 1989 and 1991 Rolls Royce Corniche 3 convertibles.
The Rolls Royce Corniche 3, produced between 1989 and 1991, was a part of the long-standing Corniche series, which debuted in 1971. This luxury convertible carried on the grand tradition of Rolls-Royce craftsmanship and elegance. Engine. It was powered by a 6.75-liter V8 engine, coupled with a 3-speed automatic transmission, ensuring a smooth and powerful driving experience. The Corniche 3 maintained the classic, sleek lines of its predecessors, but with a few subtle updates. The bumpers were modernized, and alloy wheels replaced the previous steel ones. The convertible top was operated hydraulically.
On 1991 Rolls Royce Corniche, we are changed driver's seat with original Euro Autolux leather brand. On 1989, we are refinished to rear wood panels. We repaired electric seats motors and driver's seat heating system. Also, we painted front bumper. Both projects were completed in 1 week. In this part of the work, we completely replaced the electric motors of the seats. On 1991 Rolls Royce Corniche, we are changed driver's seat with original Euro Autolux leather brand. The interior used the finest materials, high-quality Connolly leather, as well as hand-finished wood. The luxurious interior was one of the model's calling cards. The model was produced in small quantities, which made the Corniche 3 quite a rare and exclusive car. In total, less than 500 copies of this model were produced. In this part of the video, we prepare the car for delivery to the customer. A special solution must be applied to the leather of the seat to maintain its durability. Both cars are fully prepared for delivery to their owners. Would you like to know more specific details like pricing, customization options? Call me to direct line at 310-358-417. We are located at 10,003 Washington Boulevard in Culver City.